Maverick Indicators here. Wanted to do a quick recap of the trade we took this morning. I did not have my recording going, just moved too quick on me and I couldn't do it, get the recording going. But I did want to walk you back through how the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick ORB, along with the Maverick Trender, we just took a super crazy good solid trade this morning. So as you guys know, I threw $5,000 into a cash account and my daily goal is about $200 per day on that cash account. And we've been just trading a few micros here and there, and we try and get that trade out of the way so we can trade our funded accounts, trade larger size, you know what I mean? My goal isn't just to make $200 a day, but I do want to compound this account for fun. So threw $5,000 into an account, and our goal is to make $200 week one per day. And then week two, we're going to shoot for $250 each day. And by the end of week two, we should have been about 50% up, almost, on the account. And then week three, we'll bump it up to like $350, $400 per day. That's kind of my goal and my plan. And we've been rocking it out. So this morning, we pretty much tripled our daily goal. And I'll walk you through this trade, and then I'll happily show you guys the P&L. So we opened, let me mark the open here. So your open was right there. And the Maverick ORB started drawing. We did a 15-minute ORB. So we had gray candles. How many people got stopped out of these first few candles of the day? They were like, oh, we're going long, we're going short, we're going long, we're going short. If you have the Maverick AI Pro, let me zoom in on this. You had gray indecision candles. Sideways gray candles are indecision. We sit on our hands. We don't go, or we don't do anything, okay? We don't get into a trade. So gray reversal candles, you sat on your hands. Another gray reversal candle, you sat on your hands. We were trading the ORB strategy, so we got a green candle, but it's sideways. And then we got a bright green candle, okay? And normally, I would probably jump in on this guy, but this guy kind of hit top and then just pushed straight down. It was like, whoa, something's wrong there. Okay, you always got to just watch. You can't just blindly go, oh, okay, we broke the box. Let me jump in. So this one got flushed down pretty quick. So I said, oh, hands off the controls. We got back into the box here, and we went from bright green to regular green to gray reversal candles. Now, what's the difference between here and there? This is sideways action. This is equal sideways action, gray candles. A long or a push in the opposite direction, gray candle is a reversal candle. Well, look what happened. We had a gray reversal candle. We pushed straight out of the box. And then we took this thing. Once we closed underneath the box, we got 1, 2, 3 down confidence arrows. We jumped in and we rode this sucker down because we had red and then pink candles, and we broke below the Maverick guide. When price is below this blue line, we go short. When price is above the blue line, we go long. And this is actually a really good move. It's just I got my thing squished here. But if you would have taken this move, boom, breaking above the Maverick guide all the way up. Okay, and look how it just stayed here. It stayed here, stayed here, stayed here until the market opened and it got all crazy. But we took this thing pretty far down and it just flushed at this point. Oh boy. I was like, man, I really wish I was trading my normal funded accounts because that would have been a lot more profitable. But we took this sucker all the way down. Our Maverick Trender was pegged to the top here, pegged to the top here. And this is a real-time indicator, but our Maverick Multi-X was solid red. I mean, 5 traders across 6 timeframes. They were all voting bearish. It was pretty awesome to see. So if you see pink, it will most likely sink. We stayed completely under the Maverick guide. We got tons of down confidence arrows. We had a little bit of a retracement, but our Maverick guide is our line in the sand. Okay, so this was just an awesome flush down. And this is also why if you trade the ORB strategy, this is why having something like the Maverick AI Pro totally comes in handy, because everybody teaches. I mean, it's like, oh, you want to break the box, right? You want to break the box, you want to come back, test the box, and then we take our entry and we make a gajillion dollars. And it's like, no, it doesn't always work like that. Sometimes you break out of the box and you never come back. Okay, so this is one of my favorite strategies to watch with the Maverick AI Pro. So if you trade the Maverick Orb, just the Orb strategy, the Maverick Orb is really, really handy. It colors it. If you're underneath, it'll color it red. If you're above it, it'll color it green. And you can set this for the 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 30, or the 60-minute Orb. So here's my P&L. I'll flash it up on the screen. So we over tripled our goal, which is absolutely fantastic. And we were just trading some micros. So we got that trade out of the way so we can go trade our funded accounts, which I'm actually going to post another trade here in a little bit that we traded on our funded account. We did very well there. And how the Maverick AI Pro, that one will be on TradingView, and how the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Multi-X and the Maverick Trender just absolutely are the difference maker. So if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, again, not financial advice, do your own research, come read what our traders are saying on our website, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We would love, love, love to help you crush it.